Feniex emergency lights? I do. That's pretty cool. You guys definitely spent some money on this stuff. The Feniex stuff's not cheap.
We was making sure that whatever we had to know lasted for a while.
Feniex is definitely a good company. That is pretty cool. Well, they are definitely being seen. Got a T800 on the back. That's pretty cool. With the attack pattern on there, it looks like. Now the next part of this video, you're going to see Mattoon responding to a call. Just wanted to tell you the engines you will see in this are the new engine 21. They just received this engine probably 2 years ago, I think it was. It's a great engine. I love it. It looks really good going down the road. It replaced this engine, which is engine 21. This engine they still have, it is now called engine 23. Also in this video, you will see Rescue 25. But in the version you will see, Rescue 25 has had some upgrades. New light bar, new emergency lights through Feniex. So I hope you enjoy this part of the video. Get them sirens a-blaring. And a big thank you going out to our first responders. Keep up the great work, guys.